How to change Facebook business page name. Start by opening the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage where you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow. Here, go to Menu at the bottom right corner. Then, scroll down to the Settings and Privacy section. Go to Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Then, go to Page Setup. Here, tap on Name. You can change your page name from here. Enter the new name over here and tap on Review Change below. Note that if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. Once you're done reviewing, tap on Submit for approval below. Following these steps, you can easily change Facebook business page name. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.